Here's my StitchFix unboxing. Inside you get a return bag for anything that you don't want. You also get an envelope. It says, decide what you want, rate it, and then return whatever you don't want. And if I refer a friend, I get $25. Here it is. Here's the all the items and the prices and stuff like that, which I'll go over in a second. And here is some of the items and how to pair them together. Okay, I'll read what my stylist said. Hi Timothy, welcome to StitchFix. Thanks so much for scheduling with us. Since this is your first time, I thought we'd focus on building up your closet with a variety of items that will stretch your style boundaries and help expand your existing wardrobe. The Ezekiel pants are an excellent everyday bottom. Pair them with the 7-diamond shirt and dress shoes for a polished work outfit. Try them with the original penguin polo and Chuck boots for a more relaxed but refined everyday look. The Vineyard Vine shorts are the perfect transitional piece for summer, plus they pair equally well with all the tops in this fix. I hope you have as much fun trying out these items as I did select them for you, and please don't forget to leave us some feedback so we continue to improve on your future fixes. Best, Tim. So I don't know if this guy's name, my stylist's name is Tim. Kind of cool. That'd be fun. This is how everything comes. Okay, up first is this 7 diamonds button. It's pretty. It's a small. Here's the tag for it. This one retails for 7-diamond shirt for $74, so definitely expensive. Yeah. Next up is this polo shirt from, it looks like penguin. It's a pretty color. It's funny, I actually watched a StitchFix unboxing video and somebody got this same shirt. It's nice. I just hope that they it's not too baggy. This is, because I actually really like the color. This one retailed for, let's see, $69. So everything is definitely more expensive than, what I would pay for things. But, if the quality's there and they look nice, then I don't mind spending a little bit of extra money for things. Up next is this let's see, it's kind of like a Henley. I don't know what they call it. I guess they call it Yeah, Threads for Thought baseline long sleeve Henley. This one's $48, which is actually the cheapest thing here. Right off the bat, I'm not sure if I love it, just because it's on the thinner side. And I kind of like things with a little bit more structure to them. I mean, it's fairly thin. It's just I don't know if I would necessarily look the best in it. Here's some shorts that I love already. They're actually pants. These are kind of fun. Size 28. They're like a twill material. They are. I'm assuming these are those Ezekiel pants. No, these are. Yeah, Cooper pant for $65. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. These are by Ezekiel. They're color dark gray. Call them the Cooper pant. These are nice and would be nice for work for sure. I don't know the cut of them, if they're like slim or, because I specified, that's what I look best in. And then finally is these really pretty Vineyard Vines, which is a brand I'm familiar with. I've never purchased anything from them, but it's the stretch pants. They are $75. It's expensive for sure, just for a pair of shorts. I definitely feel like I can get this same color for a lot cheaper. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll try these on and take pictures and everything. I guess I should specify that. So the pants were $65, the shorts were $75, the long sleeve Henley was $48, the shirt was $74, the polo was $69. So that's a total of $331 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, which isn't terrible. I mean, it's definitely expensive. If you buy everything, you get a discount of $82. So that'd bring it all down to minus the styling fee, so $228. So not bad at all. I don't think I'll necessarily keep everything, but that's definitely a good discount.